that all of this is protection and not allowing the market to go lower. So they're intervening. That's fine. I'm not going to complain about it. Get that new Fed chair in there. Do all the hocus pocus that you want to let him do. Okay. I'm not going to argue against it. It is what it is. There's going to be days where it's going to be hard still because he's in there. Who cares? But I know that my tools and your tools that you're learning to implement in your own hands, they're going to yield to you setups that are going to outperform everybody else's stuff. And over time, you're going to see it. But I believe we're going to go into cleaner markets when we get the new Fed chair in, because I believe he's part of the club. He's not a yes man. He's part of the club that's running Trump. Let's put it that way. And then because of that, their narrative will be much, much more cleaner. They're not going to just limit their exposure to making big money to event-driven news. Position themselves ahead of, well, we're going to go to war, or we're going to bomb and destroy the entire planet. Okay. And then all of a sudden they make money off that run. It's going to be a more of a daily type of thing, more daily, delivery of that type of stuff. So I believe once we get the new Fed chair in May, that will be the transition from shitty markets to cleaner price runs. So there's my opinion. I'm probably wrong. Let's say that, okay? But that's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm anticipating in price action. I think once we get the new Fed chair in there, his testimonies when he comes out and does them, I think they're going to be interpreted differently, and I think a lot more sideline money, the folks that are not really participating in the markets right now, I think they're going to be encouraged by what they start seeing then. And when prices are starting to run, that'll bring sideline money back into the marketplace. And I don't care about the direction. I just think that they're going to take out those relative equal highs on the daily chart on all the averages. And what we do once we do that, then obviously that remains to be seen. But that's what I'm standing on. That's the hill I'm willing to die on right now, because what else do you have? You have a wreck of a market, right? So we have to constantly wrestle with this stuff. And if you're going to trade, you're going to have to encourage yourself through it, because you can't change it, you can't stop, you can't vote your way out of it. So nice little run. Look at that. I wish I could have saw that coming from down here. That would have been better. That would have been so cool if I would have talked about it in real time before it happened.
Hey dear.
But cherry picking hindsight and all that stuff. It's a very limiting. It's a conundrum I'm in. Okay, I'll get it eventually one day. Until I talk to you tomorrow, Lord willing, be safe.
So welcome everyone. Today